Is it time to finally rethink about how we live and how we function in this world? Is it time to take back our power already? Of course, this requires the ability to respond. We have to take responsibility for everything. And the reason we're in this situation is because you depend upon the system 100% for your money, for your job, for your house, for your food, for your car, for your forks and spoons and knives and socks and everything. What if you learn to take responsibility and power by learning how to do all of this yourself in our online video courses and workshops? Or heck, come by for an ecotourism stop on your way to the Big Bend National Park and just experience what it's like to live in an off-grid aircrete house, what it looks like to grow all of your own food, and so much more. Please come check us out at tinygiantlife.biz, and also check the links in the description to learn more. If you sign up for the email list, we'll send you some useful information and get you familiar with it.